Before we availed the service of IoT, it was very hard to communicate. Our resort is situated kilometers away from the main highway, and our major problem is communicating internally with each other because this is 11 hectares, and communicating with our offices and our guests as well. It was really hard. We ask help from IoT because we are expanding as a company, and at the same time we are helping other NGOs and partners as well, locally, nationally, and abroad. And we realize we can never do this unless we have strong, stable internet. After IoT has been installing and upgrading our system and managing it as well, we are more confident to offer services and to take on projects both internally to grow our people and to grow our business as well. And that confidence is priceless at most. To promise them connectivity, to promise them uninterrupted connection, and to promise them that they can work from here efficiently as if they never left their office or their houses. The main reason why I recommend this product is, number one, this company is not a local company. Like us, GoJocate, we also operate in different countries all over Asia. And if you want to grow big, if you want to be reliable, better get an internationally backed company. And IoT has the expertise, their consultants and their sources of hardware are all going through the quality of international standards. If you are like me and you are in a situation where internet connectivity, both software and hardware, and the management and system of it, you want to really control or manage properly, you get this company. IoT is simply the best in this area, both hardware, software, management, and service. I don't know any other company right now, as far as I'm concerned, here in my location and even in our region, that would offer such high quality product and service at almost the same cost as any local brand.